Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Xampp installed and Apache running, and Visual Studio Code with the PHP extension enabled. Once done, place your project in htdocs or create a virtual host so Apache serves it. Make sure file permissions allow editing. Next, open the project folder in VSCode. This gives you integrated editing, search, and terminal access. This first set of actions links the server files to your editor, so you can run and debug quickly. Now configure VSCode to communicate with Xampp. Set the workspace to your project folder and use the integrated terminal to run Composer or PHP Artisan commands. Edit PHP. Ini to point to the correct PHP binary and enable Xdebug, ensuring the IDE and remote port match your launch configuration. Once you save PHP, Ini, restart Apache. Then create a launch JSON that maps your local localhost URL to the debugger, and ports so breakpoint. To finish, start Apache and MySQL, then open your project URL in a browser to verify it loads from Xampp. In VS Code, start the debugger with your launch configuration, set breakpoints, and step through code to inspect variables and stack traces. If the debugger does not attach, make sure Xdebug settings match the launch port, restart Apache, and confirm no firewall blocks the port. One key troubleshooting tip: create a phpinfo page to confirm the active PHP. Ini and that Xdebug is loaded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.